Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your Instagram keeps crashing or not working properly after you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18. So guys, if you have updated your device to the latest version iOS 18 but your Instagram is not working properly and it keeps crashing, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply download and install the latest version of Instagram in your device. So search here for Instagram, and after this download and install the latest version of Instagram app in your device and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution, that is you have to open settings in your device, and from here you have to go to general section, scroll it below and tap on iPhone storage, scroll it below all the way and search here for Instagram and offload your Instagram app for one time from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed and your Instagram will be working properly. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.